Breakfast is the first food session by which we start our day. It has a significant role on how the rest of our day will be. Hence, it is very important to make our breakfast as healthy as possible. We will show few healthy breakfast food options to make your day better, and it's all quite simple and affordable. Number 1. Avocado fried eggs. This delicious breakfast rich in protein and vegetable fats will really please your heart in the morning. To prepare this, all you need to do is preheat an oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Cut an avocado into halves. Remove the pit and scoop out 2 tablespoons of pulp from each half. Pour an egg into each half. Add tomatoes, salt and pepper according to your taste. Decorate with greens. Bake for 20 to 22 minutes, and your breakfast is ready. Number 2. Berry and yogurt smoothie. Drinking this smoothie for breakfast helps you to stay full throughout the day. It is a super simple smoothie packed with protein and other essential nutrients. Ingredients needed: 1/4 cup each of fresh blueberries and blackberries, 1 cup each of plain Greek yogurt and vanilla soy milk, 1 whole banana. Add all of these ingredients to a blender. Blend them for 30 seconds, stir well, and blend for an additional 30 seconds. After all the ingredients mix well together, pour it into 2 glasses, and serve immediately or refrigerate. Number 3. Quinoa fruit salad. The combination of quinoa, strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and mango makes it an incredible salad to have for your breakfast. Ingredients needed: 1 cup each of uncooked quinoa and sliced strawberries, 1 cup each of blackberries and blueberries, 1 diced mango, 1/2 cup honey and 2 tablespoons lime juice, 1 tablespoon chopped basil for garnish. Directions: rinse and prepare the quinoa according to package. To make the salad, take a large bowl, and combine quinoa, strawberries, blueberries, and mangoes. To make the glaze, in a small bowl combine the honey and lime juice. Drizzle it over the fruit salad and toss to coat. Garnish with fresh basil leaves. Number 4. Peanut butter and banana smoothie. Having peanut butter with a glass of banana smoothie is a fresh way to start the day. The ripe bananas have plenty of natural sweetness, and the peanuts are an excellent source of protein. All you need to do is blend frozen bananas, peanut butter, soy milk, Greek yogurt, honey, and a few ice cubes. You may also add a scoop of your favorite chocolate or vanilla, for an extra protein boost. So, do try these healthy breakfast foods to make your day better than before.